right, guys, here we are for Dima's project, the final moments, finally doing the final touch-ups. We completed this job from A to Z today by putting these doors with the door closers, another door here, and one more doorway back there with a panel with a door closer also. This opening was a complete wall here. We had to cut out the whole wall to make the opening for this door. Of course, we need to come back and finish this end here. We also did all in here. As you know, these are all aluminum, powder-coated in our facility in the park. A lifetime product, maintenance-free, and a rust-proof product. I would like to get a testimonial from Heidi. Heidi, this is the project manager over here, or the owner. What do you think about the project today?
I am blown away with how quick it was done, how professional it was done, how fabulous it looks. I could not be happier.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
The crew has been professional and amazing as well.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Thanks.
We thrive on keeping our customers happy and also for a beautiful lifetime product that we installed for you here today.
It is stunning. I'm glad I fought hard for it. Happy customer right here.
There you go. Thank you very much. That's what we'd like to hear.